Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to remove all data from a Facebook account. If you want to remove all your data from a Facebook account, you can download a copy of your information and then permanently delete your account. Once your account is deleted, your profile, posts, photos, videos, and most other account data will eventually be removed from Facebook. Follow the steps below to remove all data from your Facebook account using your mobile phone. To begin, unlock your mobile phone and open the Facebook app. Sign into the Facebook account you want to remove and tap your profile picture or the menu icon. Choose Settings and Privacy. Here, tap Settings. Open Account Center. Tap Manage Accounts. Then select Manage on your Facebook account. Tap the activation or deletion. Here, choose Delete Account. Then tap Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the deletion request. Enter your password if prompted to verify your identity. Submit the request and avoid logging back into the account during the deletion period if you want the deletion to be completed. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.